The one thing I'm scared of is it's a little slow, right? So we'll see.
Alex, let's see what he's up to. We'll see if this deck can bring us to victory here.
Okay. Gage is going to shit.
I feel like we can really take a dub today.
No! What the fuck? What? I'm sorry, I'm trying to say something. I'm so sorry, I'm trying.
Gage is going to
Oh
shit.
my god. Oh, 2-0 Gage. What the fuck is this? This is... What is going on? This is the biggest throw I've ever seen in my entire life. This is the biggest throw I've ever seen in my entire life. So... Okay.
Gage is going to shit.
If I'm Simo, you understand what Gage is going to have to play, right? Probably some deck that's got kaijus in it, right?
Gage is going to shit.
Why the fuck would you expect to out that with I really want to hear what the fuck he's going to say. I want to hear what he's going to say.